All right, well, today's video is a little unexpected. I was going to take the wife's car to get the tires changed, and one of the gas pump things they didn't build it right, let's put it that way, and it fell over and hit my father-in-law's truck. So we're fixing that today. So we've already took this off. I've already pulled this out a lot with the puller. This was pushed way back in here and it was rubbing the tire. But that's what it looks like. It's damaged the door, cab corner, and the bed, which is, it's all right because this right here was already damaged because this was a wrecked truck in the past. So by this being damaged, it gives us the opportunity to fix this because whoever fixed this truck didn't fix it. They just left it like that. So we are going to fix it because we're going to paint all the way up to the top and then blend the paint up and then burn it in with a clear. So we'll paint this whole rail right here. We'll take the door apart and we'll blend it up. So we'll fix that, fix the cab corner, and fix this. So also, whoever put this bed together, I don't know, they did a sorry job. I will definitely say that. They did a sorry job for sure, trying to patch it up just to sell it. But I mean, that's kind of the name of the game. You know, throw it together, make a little money. But the truck was still at a good price. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this right here off, all this junk they've done on it, and we're gonna do some Raptor liner in here, make this inside this bed look real pretty. All right, we got the tail light out up underneath here. We was up under here taking the wiring loose and noticed, okay, that right there is a sonar sensor. And that's the sonar sensor that's hooked into the bumper. So they've plugged up a sensor and just let it dangle under the truck. So, yep, don't know what that's about. As you can see where they've brushed on some bull crap here too. So we got this one out. So we're unbolting the bed now. About to pull the bed off, and we're gonna get this front panel here straightened out so we can do fix the work on this, and then we'll get this right here straight. Now we in here getting this bumper off. Figure I just use a wrench, be just as easy. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but you get the idea. I have dollied it out, dollied all down this body line, and rubbed it to get it as perfect as I can. So now we're gonna lay some filler over this right here and wipe it. Get this right here perfect. There, we pulled the door out. We put that frame hook on the end and pulled the door. And as we pulled the door, we dollied it out. So we've got the door pretty straight. So now we're working on the cab corner. I got the cab corner pulled out. I just welded pieces of metal to it to pull it out. You can see right there. Just got a little bit more work right here to do. Just be ready to rock and roll. All right, so you can see our body filler down here. I'm water sanding everything now. I gotta take the door handle out, the weather stripping. I got a water sand up here, just so far where I'm gonna blend it and brush it up and dust it. But I'm water sanding all this down right here with 800 grit. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna shoot my primer on all this right here. That way everything's already water sanded, so I don't have to worry about doing it later. And then I'll go over that a bunch of times with primer and block it. And then over here, there's the body filler that I put on the bottom here. I still got to water sand all of this. And inside the bed here, working on getting it all sanded back down where somebody done a shoddy job. I don't know what they did, but working on getting all that right there taken care of. And then we're gonna put some Raptor liner in the bed, make it look real nice in the bed, and fix this right here. It makes it look like it's jagged, but it's not. It's just the way the metal is. See, all nice. Okay, I got it all taped up. So I just gotta mask off the rest of the truck, and I can lay down some primer and start a lot of blocking. All right, I've got G2 feather fill on there right now. On the places that were to basically repair panels to be blocked. So it's going to be a lot of blocking, especially right through here, right there where that little line is. It's kind of rolled right here, but once blocked, that'll make a nice edge on that line. And then over here, I've shot a lot of it on this part of the bed panel. So once it starts to tack off a little bit, put another coat on there and just keep layering it up until I feel comfortable with how much we got on there, so we can block it all down and have a real nice panel. Now we're in here block sanding with some 180, then we'll go to 320 and some 600. Got my fan helping blow some of this dust towards the paint booth fans. Over here, got a guy in here doing the work on the bed to get the wrapper liner on. So now we're gonna get this straight. I got a low spot here, but we're gonna get that out. Use my Optima gun. We're shooting some more G2 feather fill on there. So it's looking a whole lot better now. I had to work that body line out a little more, add some more filler to it to get that body line where I wanted it, so we can do a little bit more blocking. So there it is now. So do a little bit more priming, a little more blocking. Okay, it's all dried in now. I had to fix a little place back here where the bed had hit it in a previous accident. There we have it. Okay, as you can tell, I've water sanded it. Just getting some of the residue off here. This is the final product before I start taping it up, shoot some paint on there. That's all just residue there from water sanding. But got her straight again. All the way down there. She looks pretty, got the line straight. So she's ready to rock and roll now. Body line looks good all the way down through there the way it should. So now it's time to work on the bed, get it finished, water sand it to paint it. And all we're gonna do, we're gonna shoot some paint right here, and we're gonna start to cut off the paint right around here, and then start to dust it up and then clear the whole panel. And then on the top, I'll paint to about right in here, and then I'll clear up to about right here and dust it so that I can burn it in with the buffer. Okay, here we have our silver. The K23 silver is on there now. You can actually see there's a place right there. There's a bar that runs through there, and that was in the truck already. So that wasn't part of all of this. Yeah, boy, we're going down there, that party, boy. We're going to name that down. Yeah, boy. Okay, I've got it painted. It's sitting out here in the sunlight. You can see a little bit of texture on it. Of course, I shot it outside, so texture ain't too far from the factory. We'll water sand it, buff it a little bit, make it shiny. But looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Now it's just time to unmask everything, get the bed put back on. Okay, we got the bed. Of course, the truck over there, it's painted. Of course, you can't see much about it. But, okay, we got all this right here. This is a G2 feather fill. There's like 8 coats on there, so there's no issue with low spots with this. Now, that was not caused by the wreck, so I ain't worried about that. That's just part of the way it's made. But we're gonna go ahead and paint this whole bedside. It's got some places in it anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and paint this whole bedside. And on here on the inside, come on, autofocus, get there we go. All right, you see the inside of the bed, all spick and span. So now that all that crap is off of it, like it should be, we're back down to some nice, it's sanded down good where we can adhere real good on our material. We're gonna be spraying bed liner in this baby right here and slick it up. And the reason why this over here is not, this is the factory liner that spray in. You can't get that crap off. This bed panel there and there is factory to the truck, and that bed panel and this floor is from another truck. It's silver. It was pieced together along through there. So we just scuffed it up real good, all that scuffed up and all that scuffed up. So we're gonna tape it up and we're gonna make this right here look good. Okay, it's in the booth. All this right here, all this repair is done. everything down here that was damaged. The bed's all scuffed up and ready to shoot. Gonna go ahead and wipe everything down. Gonna go ahead and shoot the whole entire bed and blend it back on the back so that it matches the tailgate perfect. Don't have to worry about that. And then we're gonna shoot the clear. So next time you see it, this right here being clear. Here we are, it's all painted. The repair is made. As you can see there all the way up, looks real nice. Clear looks real nice on the panel too. So now it's just time to put this baby back on there, get all the gas door and everything back on there, and let's see it all together. Okay, and we got her finished. Of course, we got a shadow running up it from the building, but no more damage. It's all nice, straightened out. Also fixed the damage that was right here. So it is complete. Back on the road. Now it's just time to put the cap on and it'll be finished.